are doctors going to cure cancer? If several of your relatives have had cancer, you may face an increased risk of getting the same cancer. As a person who have this problem in my family, I like to share my finding with you. 2 of my aunts passed away by the breast cancer and my mom has suffered stage 3 of it. Nowadays, I think some of our friends or relatives or neighbors are struggling with the cancer. Pencil beam therapy not only is an innovative technology of proton therapy, but also has fewer side effects than traditional radiation. According to the MD Anderson ProtonTherapy.com, MD Anderson is a leader of proton therapy. It is a part of MD Anderson Cancer Center, which is the top cancer hospital since 1990 by US New World Report. Although my words are a drop in the ocean, but I hope to give you some information about innovation for cancer treatment. Let's start with the proton therapy machine. It has 30 foot tall, 110 ton weight, 360-degree rotation. Pencil beam therapy delivers targeted radiation directly to the tumor. The process begins as protons are extracted from hydrogen gas through accelerated rotation around a magnetized field. The proton increases energy and speed. It can travel third the speed of the light. The magnetic field streams the proton to the patient's room, which called gantry. The gantry can revolve 360 degrees around the patient who is laying on the robotic table and delivered beam from any angle. The proton beam use the custom-made devices called aperture and compensator, which molded at the exact size and depth of the tumor. The therapy uses an ultra-fine proton beam, as you see, with the pencil point precision across each layer of the tumor. As the proton enter the patient, they deliver powerful treatment to the tumor with no extra doses. It is ideal technology for irregular shaped and deep tumors near sensitive area. Let's see the advantage of proton therapy. Lower risk of secondary cancer later in the life. Painless and little recovery time. Maintain the current quality of life during and after treatment. Increase tolerance for chemistry. And the main point is that we couldn't use the proton therapy for all of the cancer. We can use only for some of the cancer which mentioned here, something as breast cancer, liver cancer, brain cancer, and some cancer which is in the head of the person and also. And the duration of each session is 15 to 40 minutes, and each beam can deliver 1 to 3 minutes. Complete courses of treatment may be from 1 to 30 sessions or 1 day up to 9 weeks. In conclusion, I mentioned the pencil beam therapy is an innovation of proton therapy which have fewer side effects than the traditional radiation, and I want you to think about how this treatment can give hope to the family and the patient. According to the Dr. Michael Gilling, doctors are paving the way for better cancer treatment for more patients around the world. Thank you for your attention.